Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to recreate any image style, any character style in whatever video you're animating. Many of you don't know how to make your videos look either very cartoon-like or very realistic like others. You just know how to create with AI and it just looks all sloppy, or it's either just the same thing on whatever niche you are doing. But there is a style that does very well with the niche or whatever you are trying to do, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get that. The first thing we're going to do is to go and check for the exact image. For example, if it's something like this, either this, whatsoever style, you go on YouTube or on TikTok and look for somebody that is creating on that image style, and then you just get a screenshot of that image. So for this, let me work with this character and work with this character. So what do? You head over to ChatGPT. When you're on ChatGPT, here you add the image, select the image, and then you add this prompt to the image on ChatGPT. Just say break down the image style in extreme details. While it's breaking down, please don't forget to do well to subscribe to this channel. That's the best thing you can do, and turn on the notification bell so that you can also always be available for us on whatever niche it is you are working on. Wherever you are confused, that's why we have this channel to help you. So do well to comment what it is you want us to fix next, or what it is you don't understand, so that we will help you out with that on whatever niche it is that you're working on. That is why you have us here, and we are willing to help and guide you through. And you're not paying us for this. The best thing you can do is to support us by subscribing, commenting your thoughts, sharing, and turning on the notification bell so that you get notified each time we drop these videos to help you every day. Now let's continue what we are doing. As you see, it has broken down the image for us. Now the next thing you are going to type is this. Say I am creating a video on the whatever niche it is that you are working on. You type the niche. So for example, let me say I'm doing something like let me say psychology niche. Make sure you type out the niche it is that you are working on, and say with this image style, and the topic for this video is, let me say something on that psychology. Let me just say why weed smokers are always depressed. You understand? That is something that has to do with psychology. So let's see, doing that, I send it. Now give me let me say a 5 minutes YouTube video script based on, I'm going to say, now give me a 5 minutes YouTube video script based on the niche and topic I gave you above, I wrote above. Okay, based on the above niche and topic, then you send it. You can see I'm doing this all from my phone so that you can see it. So you see, it's giving us the script for a 5 minutes video. You understand? Good. It has given us the script. Now the next thing we are going to say is break down the script into scenes. Every 10 words. Good. As you can see, it has given us that. Now the next thing you are going to say is this: now give me the image text to now do you see what we just gave it? Now give me the image text prompt for the main character based off the image style, scene and script. Make sure the style is consistent. Give me the text prompt only. Can you see it's giving us this now? So what do you do now? You copy this here and then you head over to Google Flow, right? Use on Nano Banana 2, and then for example your image style, let me say I assume from here, I suggest rather that you select something like 4x, so that will give you 4, because you are trying to get your character now. You want to get the character that looks something like what we chose here, you understand? So we want to get the character now. So what do? You come here, you select it at 4x, so that it will give you 4 different image styles, and then you get to select which one is most favorable and suitable for your video. Can you see it has given us this suitable for the exact story style that we're trying to recreate here? Do you understand? So now that we have that, you head over to ChatGPT back and then you give it this prompt. Give me the text prompt for every scene, making sure the character is consistent. So it's giving us 54 scenes in breakdown. Okay, it's telling us how it's going to structure each prompt. Then you say go ahead and write. Sorry, I made a typing error. Okay, it's telling us to use this exact character description, but we don't even need all of that stuff. So you can see it has given us the one for each prompt. So what do we do now? This is for scene 1. You take for scene 1, you copy this from here. You copy all of this. You copy it to come over to here. Then you look, okay, which of this image do you want to use? Which of this character do you want to use? Let's say we want to use this one. Here you click on the image and click on add to prompts. So once you click on add to prompt, you can see the image is now showing down here. Then you click on here and then you paste the prompts that you copied. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to have changed this to X1 so that it stops giving me 4 images. But okay, make sure you change that to X1. It's giving us 4 images now for just that scene 1. But that is fine. That's fine. We can look at which one is the best and then we get to delete the one that we don't like. As you can see, it has given us 4 image prompt, 4 images from that one prompt of scene 1. So I'm going to try and remove the ones I don't like. I'm going to remove, I think I prefer, still going to remove this one. I'm still going to remove this one. Good. I think I like just this one. I like just this one. So what do? I'll add it again to prompt. Now I add that one to prompt and I generate the image for scene. So you see, this time I've put it on 1x so that it gives me just 1 image. Now C is going to give me 1 image. So once it gives us this image, I'm going to show you what we are going to do next. By the way, in case you don't want to get tired generating these images one after the other, because you are going to have to generate 50 something images for this one. If you check the last video I made, I've shown you how to use Google Flow in such a way that you automate it and you just sit down, you give it all your prompts at once, and Google Flow is not only going to download all the image, not only going to create all the images for you, it's also going to download each and every one of them. Once you just give it the instruction, you sit back, you don't have to be doing all of this that I'm doing, going to ChatGPT to copy the script. I have made that video for you, you understand? So I'm just doing this so that you see it step by step, you understand? Now you can see it has given us the next scene prompt. So what do you do now? It's time for you to just take this, head over to Grok and animate it based off each scene. I advise that when you take each image, if you take for example this image to Grok, once you paste it, paste under your imagining, you understand, under Grok. Once you want to imagine, once you paste it, then you paste the exact same script that generated this image for you, scene 1 script prompt. You take it and paste it under it and press animate so that it will give you exactly what is happening in that video, and that is how you are able to get your full video. If this was helpful, do well to comment, appreciate us. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you still have something you are confused about or something you want us to work on, do well to just comment it. Also, if you're interested in getting a monetizable TikTok or an already monetized TikTok, you can also hit us up via the link in the comment section and we'll be available to help you. I am PTG and we are always here to help you. Thank you.